Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is red sanders. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Red sanders or red sandalwood has fallen back into the endangered category in the International Union for Conservation of Nature's, that is IUCN Red List. It was classified as near threatened in 2018 and has now joined the endangered list once again. The latest IUCN assessment stated over the last 3 generations, the species has experienced a population decline of 50 to 80%. Now let's discuss about red sandalwood. Scientific name of red sandalwood is Pterocarpus santalinus. Red sanders is an endemic tree species with a restricted geographical range in the Eastern Ghats. They are found in the tropical dry deciduous forest of the Palkonda and Sheshchalam hill ranges of Andhra Pradesh and also found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Red sanders usually grow in the rocky, degraded and fallow lands with red soil and a hot and dry climate. It is listed in Appendix 2 of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, that is CITES. In Appendix 2, species which are not necessarily threatened with extinction but in which trade must be controlled to avoid utilization incompatible with their survival. It is known for its rich hue and therapeutic properties, is high in demand across Asia, particularly in China and Japan, for cosmetics and medicinal products, woodworks and musical instruments. Its popularity can be gauged from the fact that a ton of red sanders cost anything between Rs 50 lakh to Rs 1 crore in the international market. Now let's discuss about the usage and properties of red sandalwood. The wood at the center of the red sandalwood trunk, that is heartwood, is used as medicine and dye wood. Red sandalwood is used for treating digestive tract problems, fluid retention and coughs, and for blood purification. According to the Indian Journal of Applied Research, it is a good raw material for musical instruments and high-end furniture. Now moving on to some other facts. Related concerns include the species is dwindling in its natural habitat due to overexploitation. The slow growth of the species and continued harvesting leaves no time for the species to recover naturally. And cattle grazing and invasive species also threaten the species. It is banned from the international trade, but despite this illegal trade continues. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding red sandalwood. 1. It is endemic to the western Himalayas in India. 2. They usually grow in cool temperature climates. 3. It is known for its rich hue and therapeutic properties. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.